Okay, so it's day 3, 4:30 in the afternoon. Time to wrap it up. You know, things are really well exposed. This is going to be a lake. So it did make one change where right here, this is where we go to the other side. So we will fill this all in with fill and then put a culvert at the top to let the water out. And so this will be a lake over here, and then this would be another one. And it'll be because there's a road going right here, and I'm going to build a house right over there. There's a beautiful spot with beautiful view. So that's one of the changes. Now that things have been cut back and I can actually see what's going on. But yeah, right about here, it just goes straight across. See, it's not very far. Right now he's digging a little area for if there's 2 cars coming, one car can give way. Because otherwise it could be pretty hard. Because the road's only going to be 4 meters wide, which is 17 feet, which is actually a pretty wide cement road. But I don't know if it's room enough for 2 cars to pass by. And all this will be filled with water. It'll be a lake. And this is a little bit of a steady incline up the hill. And we just scrape everything off the sides. It's amazing. So never hit a rock. All just this hard soil.